Hi friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make ratatouille. It's a very simple dish. You don't need too many ingredients. It's very easy to make. It's super delicious, and guys, your kids, they're gonna love this recipe. Trust me. So let me show you what we need for this recipe. And we have eggplant, zucchini, garlic and onion, thyme, salt and pepper, olive oil, tomato sauce, and 3 bay leaves. For the garnish, I'm gonna make a couscous. First of all, I'm gonna cut the vegetables. And the second step, I'm gonna cook the vegetables for 15 minutes. Well, our ratatouille is ready. Like I said, it's very easy to make. It's also super delicious. Guys, you need to try this. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.